If you read the title and seen the thumbnail, you probably know that today I'm going to be creating the ultimate AI in Scratch. And I'm going to challenge myself to do it in under 1 hour.
Yeah, boy.
I don't know if I'll be able to create it or not, but let's hope I can do it. So, let's start the timer. Now, I've got in my laptop, so now let's set the timer. I said 1 hour, so let's set 00 seconds, 00 minutes, and 1 hour. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, the timer is started. Let's go. So basically, you might be wondering, how am I going to be creating AI in Scratch? How is that even possible? Well, I'm going to be using a mod of Scratch, which is called Penguin mod.
What?
It is basically Scratch, but it has much more features and mods. So let's open Penguin mod. And there, we have Penguin mod opened. And bye-bye, Penguin. And after removing this cute but annoying little penguin, I started working on painting the sprites and backdrops for my ultimate AI. This took a few minutes and then it was time for the main part, the coding. Okay, so now let's bring our first block of this awesome Scratch project. And let's bring it up. Done. This is the start of the ultimate Scratch AI. Pause. It's true that I started coding my ultimate AI in Scratch, but while editing this video, I noticed something unexpected. I noticed that while I was making this AI, the screen recording suddenly stopped. When I realized this, I felt doomed. I felt failure. And I felt something like this. But most importantly, I wanted to give up. But no, I wasn't gonna let this stop me, and that's why I continued. If you think I did the right thing, a like and subscribe would be really motivational. Even though I wasn't able to record my screen for a bit while doing the challenge, I'll show my loyal viewers how it looked like. Unpause. Okay, so now I've made the front page of the AI. So as you can see over here, there's the ChatGPT logo for the AI, and then there are two options. Either the user will choose ChatGPT 4, or then he can choose the image generator, which is DALL-E 3. After this, I did a little bit more coding to make the front page more functional. If the ChatGPT 4 button is clicked, it should switch the backdrop to backdrop number 2. So whenever we're going to be clicking this, it's going to be switching the backdrop to backdrop number 2. After 20 minutes of non-stop work, I had finally created the ultimate AI in Scratch. Actually, I had not. I had only made the interface of the AI, and so only 40 minutes remaining. Actually, not 40, 20, because for the next 20 minutes I did absolutely nothing. So 20 minutes remaining. Okay, so now the only thing I need to do is to create the DALL-E 3 AI, but I'm done with ChatGPT 4. So basically, if you click the ChatGPT 4 button, it takes you to ChatGPT 4, and if I click message ChatGPT, I can chat with it. For example, I say, what is Scratch? And then it'll say generating response. and then takes a few seconds. Oh, okay. So, and it gives us our answer. Scratch is a free visual programming language developed by the lifelong kindergarten group at the Messiah Institute. It's designed to make it easy to bring together on interactive stories, games, animation. And so you can see that the answer is very long, and so it goes under the screen, under the frame, under the answer is very long. So what I did is I created this scroll bar or button, which if you scroll down, it will scroll down like a normal website, and then you can read the full answer. And this shows that I have officially created half of the ultimate AI in Scratch, and I only have 17 minutes left. I need to create the whole Dolly 3 in just 17 minutes. So first things first, create Dolly 3.
2 seconds later.
I only have 9 minutes left and I don't understand anything. When I ask Dolly 3 to generate something, it just gives me a website link of a PNG, which is not what I want.
One eternity later.
Right prompt. Yes! Now my AI has given me the picture of a cat coding, and that is exactly what I asked for. This means that I have created the ultimate AI. Not exactly. Why is this image Time was ending. Only 2 minutes remaining. And the only thing I need to do is to make the image fit on the screen.
A few moments later.
3, 2, 1. Time's over. 1 hour's over. And let's see if I've created the ultimate AI or not. So, here's the big reveal. When I click the green flag, it takes me to this screen. Either I choose ChatGPT 4 or I choose Dolly 3. For example, if I choose ChatGPT 4, it'll take me to this. Oh no. Actually, wait, I have an idea. No, 1 hour never ended. I don't know. I have 1 more minute. I legally took 1 more minute, debugged the bug, and then I was done. I hope so. Okay, now I'm done. If this works, yes! I've created the ultimate AI in Scratch in under 1 hour. I can show it to you. It has ChatGPT 4. It has Dolly 3. It has everything an AI has. Victory. If you like the video, don't forget to click a button like something like this and a button that says subscribe. Thank you for watching.